What is your favorite holiday?
Christmas!
Christmas?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause it's my favorite.
What do you like about Christmas?
I like Halloween.
You like Halloween? But what's your favorite? Halloween or Christmas?
Halloween.
You like Halloween?
Yes. Yes.
I thought Christmas was your favorite.
Oh.
But you know what?
Yeah.
Christmas is also a birthday.
And the wow.
Do you know whose birthday it is?
Yeah.
Who?
Baby Jesus.
Oh, you're so smart. How do you know that? 'Cause you're smart? Oh, tell everybody. Christmas is whose birthday?
Baby Jesus.
Baby Jesus. That's right.
What's baby Jesus?
Baby Jesus was born, and that's why we celebrate Christmas. Yeah. That's cool, huh?